Hello guys, so today I decided to make chocolate milk from home. My ingredients were 350 ml of milk, sugar 2 tablespoons, and cocoa 1 tablespoon. Add your milk in a jug, add cocoa, give it a good mix until all the cocoa dissolves, until you don't see those bubbles no more. Mix it well, then add your sugar. Keep mixing. And so why I decided to make this, my kids were like, Mom, we want chocolate milk. I'm like, I'm not gonna go to the store right now, let me make my own. Guys, try this, you will not go to the store anymore. This is so delicious, guys. And I took mine with some ice and it was just try it. And don't forget to like, share this video, and thank you so much for your support. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.